Hello students, let's read vowels as a middle sound. Listen carefully and repeat. Vowel U as a medial. Read with middle sound U. Say B U N. Now put together bun. C U B cub. G U G jug. H U T hut. G U N gun. Happy learning!